Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Today's video is me completing our paycheck budget number 2 for the month of April. Now, if you happen to miss our April monthly budget, I'll go ahead and leave that video linked up and you can go and check it out. And if you want to check out the paycheck budget number 1, I'll have that video linked up as well. Now, our paycheck budget number 2, it is going to be from April the 16th all the way through the end of April, which is April the 30th. Now, with this paycheck, we are expecting to be direct deposited into this joint household account, $960. And then for me, we are expecting $730. Now, we are also expecting a bonus from Hub's job, and I'll come back and update that once it's actually received. So we are planning to receive that at the end of the month. So we are working with a total income of $16.90 for this paycheck. And for our giving, we are planning to give $460. Now, we do tithe off of our gross income. And during this here time frame, our expenses, we don't have a whole lot, but we do have the car insurance that is due, and that is at the $251.10. Our prepaid cell phone bills, $86.50. Our regular debt for the taxes is $235. Our lawn service is at $100. Our life insurance is at the $62.64. And then for groceries, now we are planning $300 for the groceries in paycheck budget number 2. And our house supplies, we are planning for $25 for house supplies. And then for the gas, we are planning $75. We have $100 allocated for the whole month. I did kind of switch it up a little bit. I put a small amount on paycheck 1 and the larger amount on paycheck budget number 2, because we seem to go over in the category on paycheck 2, even though the money is still there from paycheck 1. So I wanted to try it this way to see if it's going to make a difference. So our buffer, we have $25 left that we need to allocate in paycheck budget number 2. So our total expenditures, we're looking at $251.10, $86.50, $235, $100. This is not going to take me long. So we're at $1160.24 as far as our expenses for paycheck budget number 2. I know we don't have to worry about our savings because we've already taken care of the saving funds in our paycheck number 1. So whatever is left is going to go towards the extra debt. And for the month of April, we've allocated a total of $85 from this household account. So I can go ahead and plug in the planned income for paycheck 2. So it's at $16.90. The giving is at $460. Our expenses have come in at $1160.24. Nothing for savings and nothing for envelopes, because we don't do the cash envelopes from our household account. The $16.90 minus $460 minus $1160.24. So that's the $69.76 that goes for the extra debt. And that amount subtracted from the total $85, that $15.24, we've already set that aside from paycheck 1. So that is correct. And we should have a zero-based budget for paycheck budget number 2. And again, zero-based budget does not mean you don't have money in the account. You're just allocating all of your income over your expenses, just making sure that your income has been assigned. So this is it for our paycheck budget number 2, guys. It is short and sweet, and April is moving right along. So guys, leave me a comment down below. If you do paycheck budgets, how's your paycheck budget number 2 panning out? All right, you already know I am going to see you later. Bye.